today we're gonna make some blooming onions. Got this new Pro here. That apparatus, that is the onion blossom. So if you haven't got one of these yet, get it. Under $10, guys. And we're about to make these blooming onions, man. I'm gonna bring my junior chef in and get these ingredients mixed in so we can get this thing done. We got a tablespoon of paprika. We got 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then we got a teaspoon of salt and pepper. You can actually salt and pepper to taste, but we went on ahead and measured those things out. And then she's gonna get that thing a whisk. As you can see, I wanted to get you guys in the game, so you see all that oregano and the salt and pepper. You can see those flakes down in there, and then that's what you want. So here's your wet station here. You got 1.5 cups of milk, and then you got 2 eggs. And again, guys, man, give my baby a thumbs up, man. She's been learning how to cook, man. Some yummy recipes. Another mad scientist in the lab. This is your dipping sauce, guys, with that blooming onion. You got 1/2 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of horseradish, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. You got 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Cut the top, just a little bit off the top on both sides, so when you bloom that onion and then you cut that core out, the rest of that core, when you're done with it, then you're good to go. So it's gonna peel back the skin and then peel back a layer or 2 so we can get it actually in the onion blossom. So just like that, that's what you want. So you want to take it every other notch. So once you start, you're just going all the way down in your onion until it hits the bottom, and then you just bring that bad boy back up. And I'm gonna change my knife there and get me a little bigger knife, and then I'm gonna hit that with this point here. And you might have some pieces come off, throw those things away, or you can save them for another recipe if you got something else that you want to do with an onion. So once you get it out there, again, here's the key, guys. So you see that bottom there? Now it's easier to flour when you cut that bottom off. If you don't cut that bottom, it's going to be harder to flour out, and then when you core it, it's going to be harder to core it. So you want to cut that bottom just a little bit off, and then when you flour it, just be kind of careful with it so you don't just kind of fan it out. You want to fan all your petals out. So you can see I got those blooming onions. They're petaled out or pulled out, guys. So this is what you want to see here before you put them in your mixture. Be careful with them, because again, they're going to be delicate, but you want to see something like this. So now I got my 2 stations. I got the dry station, I got the wet station. So you want to put the onion in the dry station first, and as you can see, it's in there. Get you a nice spoon, clean spoon, and you want to do that for both stations that you have. But you want to get your onion coated with flour. And again, with this step here, it don't really matter that it's gonna stick or not, because you're gonna put it in the wet batter. And what you want to do on this step here is put it upside down, right? And then get your egg wash on there, flip it. Again, you want to make sure that it's starting to flour, and you want to help it flour just a little bit in that egg mixture. Like I said, you just want to come back, hit it with that wet mixture there. And then you'll follow that same step, coming back over to the dry mixture. So you're gonna put this bad boy back into the dry mixture one more time. Minutes. So once this goes in the freezer for 45 minutes to an hour, bring it back out, get your heat up to 350, then it's ready to go. Got the onions out. Again, 45 minutes in the freezer. So you see it took the form of the flour, and it gives you that firmness. Now, since you're gonna be putting this in the fryer, you want to make sure that you're really careful because it's been in that freezer. You don't want to have an epic failure there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that strainer basket down. And again, guys, get you one of these right here, these strainers, easy for you. So when you flip that onion, you want to put it face down first and put it in your fryer. But again, guys, be careful because you don't want that thing to pop on you. But you want to put that thing face down first like that. Let it cook for about a minute, and then you're gonna bring it back up and flip it on the side. That golden brown color that we're always looking for, and then you know your onion's ready. Bring it out, put it on your cooling rack so it can drain that excess grease, and then after that it's just all about that presentation. And so we got this thing out the fryer, got it cored, and we got that special sauce on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these petals, get this bad boy a taste. There you go, man. Man, that thing's delicious. Outback copycat, right back at you. Follow the instructions in the video, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you guys later, man. Peace.